Hi, I'm Frances from the greenhouse at Gethsemane Garden Center, and today we're going to be propagating pothos. Propagation is a good tool if you want to make more plants for yourself or for somebody else, or if you have a spot in your pot that's starting to bald and you want to fill it back in with your propagations. So, the things that you're going to need to propagate is a plant, some water, we're doing water propagation. I like to use isopropyl alcohol just to sterilize our clippers, and then I'll dry it off with a towel. So, the things that you'll need on your plant in order to make your propagation is the leaf, of course, the petiole, the node is the most important part. That's this swollen part of the stem. So, you're going to take your shears, sterilize a little bit because you don't want to spread diseases or infections between your plants when you're cutting. And then you're going to come to your vine and you want to cut in between these two nodes in this inner node section. I like to leave about a ½ inch before the node when I cut. And I usually go in at a 45-degree angle and snip. And then if you want to do another one, get rid of this extra inner node space that's just going to be sapping energy from your cutting. Go close about a ½ inch to the next node, cut. And then we'll do this last leaf right here. About a ½ inch away from the node, cut. And then all you're going to do is take your cutting, place it in water. Make sure that the node is in the water. And you'll know that your cutting is ready to be potted up when it looks like this. You want the root section to be at least 1/3 of the length of the full cutting, and that's when you know it's ready to be popped back up. If you were to be filling your plant back in, all you do is take your finger, dig a little hole, and plop your cutting in there. And then just fill it back in. And you're done. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.